How to turn off ask permissions on Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off the ask permission settings on the Play Store. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Google Play Store on a device. Now, you have to tap on your profile at top right corner and select settings from the drop down menu. Now you have to tap on the parental control under the family and then you need to simply turn off parental control. In case if you have turned on parental controls, you simply need to open the parental controls and toggle the button off and enter the pin if prompted. And once done, the ask permission feature will be turned off, allowing apps to be downloaded without prior approval. So that is how we can easily turn off the ask permissions on Play Store. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.